A triangle is a polygon with three sides. That means it is, what is polygon? Polygon is a geometrical shape which is a closed figure, completely closed, and it is made up of only line segments. So triangle is that type of a polygon which is made up of three line segments. So there are three sides in a triangle. And how do we denote a triangle? In short, we write a triangle like this, triangle ABC. So this symbol represents triangle. Now there are three important parts of a triangle: sides, vertices, and angles. So when you look at the image of this triangle ABC, what are the sides of this triangle? The sides would be AB, BC, and AC. So sides represents the line segments which form that triangle. So what are the vertices? So vertex refers to that point where two sides meet. So you see point A is one vertex because AB and AC meets at A. Similarly, B is another vertex because AB and BC meets at B. C is another vertex because AC and BC, they meet at C. So therefore points A, B and C are the vertices. And what about the angles? So these are the angles, that is the orientation between any two sides is an angle. So since there are three sides, there are three angles. What are the angles? Angle A, angle B and angle C. So three sides, three angles and three vertices make a triangle. Now there are many types of triangles. Now first we talk about the types of triangle based on the sides, like if the sides are equal or the sides are not equal. Based on that, there are three types of triangle. First type is scalene triangle. So a scalene triangle is the one where all the sides are unequal. So you measure all the three sides. Let's say that the name of this triangle is ABC. So in this type of a triangle, the length of AB is not equal to the length of BC, is not equal to the length of AC. So each of their lengths are different. That is called a scalene triangle. Second type of triangle is an isosceles triangle. So in this triangle, two sides are equal. So out of three sides, two sides are equal. For example, if this is a triangle ABC, so in this case AB is equal to AC. So AB is equal to AC. However, BC is not equal to AB. BC is not equal to AC as well. So any two sides are equal in this case. Now since these two sides are equal, in this type of triangle we find that two angles are also equal. So these two angles are called the base angles, because these are the angles which are formed on the base of the triangle. Base means bottom. So we say that in this case angle B is equal to angle C. So this is isosceles triangle. Iso word is used for similar. So in this type of triangle there is some sort of similarity because two sides are equal. And then the third type is equilateral. That means all the sides are equal. Equi means equal. So all sides equal, therefore all angles are also equal. So if this is a triangle ABC, so in this case AB is equal to AC is equal to BC. So AB equal to BC equal to AC, and also the three angles are equal. That is angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. So we have scalene triangle where all sides are equal, isosceles where two sides equal, and equilateral where all sides are equal. Now, on similar lines, we can also categorize triangles based on the angles, based on the type of angles which are present in a triangle. So on this basis also, the triangles can be divided into three types. So the first type is acute angled triangle. So what is acute angle? Acute angle is that angle which is less than 90 degree. So if we have a triangle where all the three angles are acute angles, then that triangle is called acute angled triangle. For example, in this triangle ABC, and the measurement of angle A is less than 90 degree, measurement of angle B is less than 90 degree, measurement of angle C is less than 90 degree. If this holds true, then this triangle is called an acute angled triangle. Similarly, you might have right angled triangle where at least one angle is 90 degree. Now, can you ever draw a triangle where more than one angle is 90 degree? No, you cannot draw a triangle like that. You know why? Because there is a property that the sum of the three angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, now if two angles are 90 degree, that means the third angle has to be 0, right? But that is not possible. How can we make the third angle 0? So therefore we can never draw a triangle with more than one angle equal to 90 degree. So at the max only one angle can be 90 degree. So any such triangle where one angle is 90 degree, that is called a right angled triangle. And the third category is obtuse angled, where one angle is greater than 90 degree. Now, do you think that two angles in a triangle can be obtuse angle? No. Again, the same reason, because one angle obtuse means the value of one angle itself is more than 90 degree. For example, in this triangle, this angle is greater than 90 degree. So 90 degree would have been somewhat like this. So this would have been 90 degree. So one angle is greater than 90 degree, but again, sum of the three angles should be 180 degree. So that means the other two angles should be less than 90 degree. So whenever at least one angle, whenever one angle is obtuse angle, then that triangle is called obtuse angle triangle. Whenever one angle is 90 degree, the triangle is called right angle triangle. When all the three angles are less than 90 degree, it is called acute angle triangle. So in this fashion, depending on what type of angles are present in a triangle, they can be classified into acute, right and obtuse angle triangle.